Hello prospectors! In this video I'm going to show you how to craft the Antiparasitic Tonic in Icarus. Over on your tech tree inside the Tier 2 section, you'll be able to find the Antiparasitic Tonic just right after unlocking the Herbalism bench. The tonic will require 3 materials and they're pretty cheap to make. You're going to need reed flour, organic resin, and 3 pieces of charcoal. Organic resin can be made with wood and oxite in the mortar and pestle. For the reed flour, this is pretty easy to find. Just run along the edges of a stream or any body of water that you can find. Eventually you'll be able to find these flowers. If you want to harvest a lot of these flowers, use your sickle as this will increase the yield. Once you're done collecting all the materials, you can now start making the tonic. Now you have a way to combat festering wounds, dysentery, and other parasites in the game, if you're having trouble with those illnesses. And that's about it on how to craft the antiparasitic tonic in Icarus.